Where is the data science coming in? Data science is close to your heart because that brings the process element or the project management element to AI. Any AI project should be managed just like a normal project to be managed. There is a life cycle. Don't listen to these hardcore AI computer scientists who think only the algorithm part is important. It's only part of the problem. Any AI program is ultimately a project. The life cycle of the project becomes important. That's where data science comes. Data science is nothing but the process element of handling AI or machine learning programs. What does it involve? To start with data acquisition. You have to understand what kind of data you're talking about, what problem you're talking about. Then data preparation means how do you clean the data? How do you remove outliers? How do you remove unwanted data? How do you massage the data to make sure that it is structured so that your machine learning problem can work on it? Then comes your hypothesis and modeling. What kind of problem? You talked about 7 different kinds of problems, right? What kind of problem is it? Is it an unsupervised clustering problem? Is it a supervised classification problem? Is it a supervised regression problem? Is it an unsupervised clustering followed by supervised classification problem? It could be a combination. Or is it unsupervised feature extraction followed by supervised classification problem? So that is what your modeling is all about. That's where business domain also comes in. It's not that a scientist can sit here and do it. That's where you have to double up as domain specialist as well as you have to work with the domain guys to understand. Because ultimately you delivered an intelligent program. If you're not solved the problem which he wanted, there's no point, right? Then comes the evaluation and interpretation, which is basically you try to run different machine learning algorithms to understand the knowledge format. And then find out the optimal. Which one will give you the best accuracy or which one will give you the least error. Or what will give you the best support or confidence in the association rules. So each of them have their own metrics on which you can do the optimization. That's what evaluation is all about. Evaluation means you iterate over several different kinds of algorithms and try to find out different combinations. Lastly, you deploy it. Once you know that this is the combination of algorithm and this is the combination of parameters which is going to give you the best possible knowledge for your problem, you go and deploy it in a high-performance infrastructure. It may be a normal cluster, it could be a cloud, it could be a big data infrastructure like Hadoop or Spark. Then you run your operations, means you start deploying it in field. Means you put that intelligent agent in your process, in your, say, healthcare field. You get radiologists look at it and automatically find out if it's a malignant or this thing daily. Or if you're talking about a traffic sniffer, it will put in your network traffic. Is there a spam coming in or not spam? Then optimization means as you go along, sometimes the underlying truth of data changes. Means pattern which you extracted for an older kind of data may not be relevant. The knowledge you extracted, the rules you extracted, for example, the fashion behavior of shoppers. You tried to extract using last 6 months data, but somehow suddenly Eminem and all of these guys started a new style. And all of that old style went away. So all your models will fail because they're predicting something older. So your truth has to be recalibrated. So your model evaluation and updation has to be coming back. In fact, there has to be a cycle there. It has to recalibrate and run the model again to discover new knowledge. So in that sense, data science is very important. It's a part and parcel of the overall